Hello student, hello friends. I have started the last topic of the lesson, the globalization and Indian economy, where our topic is the struggle for fair globalizations, where I will make the understanding how the globalization is not, you will say, processing fairly for all people, and what are the reasons behind it, and how do we make the steps for the fair globalization for all. So let's we begin the topic. Let's we see in the first, you have seen there two type of the, you see, emoji sign. One is for the smile and second is for the sorrow. Means one sign is saying about the smilingness or the happiness, and second is just showing for the unhappiness. Means globalization is not fairly working for all people, and the reason behind it that where there is the education, the skill, the wealth, where it just prove as a assets, or just as a, will say, opportunity, and where there is not the education, not the skill, not the wealth, it means where there is the illiteracy, where there is the unskilledness, where there is the poverty, where it becomes just like a liability. Okay, na student? It means globalization is not giving the equal opportunity to all people in the whole world, because those people who are very educated, who are very skilled, who are very wealthy person or very prosperous person, they are getting the advantages, and those people in the one corner where they are not very educated, mean illiterate totally, they are unskilled, and they are just facing the problem of poverty, unemployment, and so on, where they are just relied as a liable people. It means there is the weak point in the globalization policies, or the agencies or the organizations which has been given the responsibility to apply the, you will say, fairly the globalization process. So it means we will see that there is only the proper role of the government, because that is in the hand of government of that country, how the process can be applied for the globalizations. Means government have to decide it, how this, you will say, process can be applied. So number one is that apply the policies. Means government, that is only in the head of government, that government can apply the policies. What type of the policies? Policies can be in favor of the, you'll say, producer, policies in favor of the consumer, policies which make very fruitful for all the people who are living in the same country. Okay, na student? So these policies can be in the form of laws, can be in the form of strict, you'll say, uh, laws, or the policies, or any kind of the other, you'll say, steps that can be just told as a restrictions over the imports, over the other things. Okay, na? So these policies can be applied in any forms, that is in the hand of government. How the government is taking care of the people of the country. Second thing is that implementation is strict labor laws, because labor laws mostly MNCs is searching for those countries where the labor laws are very very, will say, liberal. So the government have to decide it, the liberal, the policies in favor of the MNCs, and against the labors, where the government should take the, we will say, monopoly over the strict laws. Because if the MNCs, they are just frequently coming to countries, and they are establishing their, we will say, unit or the factories or the companies, so obviously the labor will not get the benefit. So government have to apply the strict laws in favor of the labor, so that the labor laws, labor right can be protected as well. They will take the all kind of the enjoyment, as all people are taking uh, in the shadow of globalizations. Okay, now student. Next thing is that support to small producer to compete well. Means the government have to decide it, what type of the, you say, things carry on in the country. Suppose if the reserve some items, if the government decide to reserve some item for the local producer for the home market, so many of the import product can be not imported into the country or coming to the country, so that the all type of the producer at the local level, they will feel well and they will compete well with their own local producer. Okay na students, so that they have not any kind of the danger, they have not any kind of the, you will say, fearness for competing very high level to the foreign, you will say, producer. In such a way they will not only maintain their qualities, because sometimes they will just you'll say giving the shoulder to shoulder, you'll say, cooperation with the other MNCs which are available in the country. Means every places where the MNC should not allow to move them very frequently. Okay na student, some areas which are very backward, so in that areas where the MNC should reach there, but in a very limited manner, so that the local producer cannot feel any kind of the disadvantages in the presence of MNCs. Next thing is that enforcement of the trade and investment barrier, because when the government will apply this type of the procedure in the form of trade and investment barriers, means when the trade and the investment, if there is any the kind of barriers, means restrictions. Barrier means restrictions. Okay na student, so in the form of restrictions, the trade and the investment would not appear in the country from the foreign countries or the developed countries. So in such a way the government will apply some quota system and some import duties. So in such a way the local producer or the, you will say, producer of the country will take the benefit, and they will get the extra benefit from the government policy quota system, where some product where the government apply the quota system over their product which are manufactured by the country. In such a way this type of the process will, you will say, encourage the Swadeshikaran or the Swadeshi system. Okay na, in such a way so these monopolies of the MNCs will be stopped for the same time. And next one thing is that alignment or the group of the developing countries against the domination of WTO. Means in such a way when the developing countries, if they are encouraging or if they are just taking the steps very shoulder to shoulder cooperation, in such a way they will just form a groups against the WTO and its domination. So in such a way WTO will also come under the danger, come under the fear, and it will also stop that policy which are against the developing countries. In such a way when the developing countries, they are making a big groups, big we'll say umbrella type of the, it's a union. So in such a way WTO have to change their policies and change their program, and they have to apply the program in benefit of the developing countries. That is very very important things. Last one, that is very important, role of the people. People, they have to decide what they have to purchase, how do they have to purchase, how much they have to purchase, what type of the brand they have to purchase. Okay na, so that all the things in there, you'll say, over the people, they will just take their, you'll say, main role for fairly processing of the globalization in the form of protest, in the form of campaign, in the form of movement, in the form of various kind of the other, you will say, mood, where not only their mood of the people will be appear in front of the MNCs, but also the people will give their choices also to the MNCs. In such a way the MNCs have to be pressurized to produce the goods in favor of the people, because nowadays the MNCs, they are just making or manufacture the goods which are making the addicted to the people of the whole world. In such a way the all people are just moving after the you will say brand, and in such a way this type of the habit is destroying the nature of people. If some people who are living in the developing countries, so they have to just make this habit by the forcement of the MNCs, and in such a way they also faces the problem because they have a very limited money, they have not very good salaries. So in such a way they have to just go to around the MNCs, and they have to make the addictions of this product which are manufactured of the MNCs. In such a way, if they are protesting, if they are making the campaign, if they are making the protest, if they are making the campaign In such a way, the MNCs have to take the proper decision what type of the things they have to produce for the India, for the poor countries, for the developing countries. They cannot apply the same product as they are making manufactured for American, and same product is also, you'll say, exporting to India or manufactured in India by the MNCs. In such a way, when these people will apply the protestation, will apply the campaign program in such a way, this is type of the encouragement, this is type of the, you'll say, alarming by the people that they are not ready to purchase all these products which are manufactured by the MNCs. In such a way, the MNCs have to take the decision in favor of the people of the country, and at the same time the government also support the people. Okay, now student, so this protest, this program, suppose the Pepsi, Coca-Cola, these are the product, and these product cannot be very healthy and very fruitful for the people of India, because Indian people, they mostly lived over the chaj, matha and doodh and the dahi and so many other liquids which are you'll say produced in the country or within the country. So they have no need to take the other kind of the liquid or the other kind of the, you'll say, these product or the soft drink. Okay, na student. In such a way, if they just show their you'll say reactions against the MNCs, so MNCs will not produce much quantity of the, you'll soft drink for the people of country. So in such a way, this protection program will be very healthy and very fruitful for the country also, because country will also, will say, advance the Swadeshi current program, and many of the local you will say MNCs or the companies will also produce their home local product for the whole country. In such a way, this foreign product will be restricted. Okay, na? So this type of the program should be you'll say taken by the people of the country. In such a way, the globalization can be apply fairly for all people, and it will be not dangerous for whole people also. So student, I hope you understand well all these topics which I have just draw and just make it prepare in such a way. So I hope you understand this topic. And as I have just prepared this board, as you have to apply the same things while you are making the notes, because this type of the process when you are applying the emoji sign or any kind of the things in such a way you are preparing it, that will be very helpful, because these smiling face, this is the sorrow face or the very unhappy face will just make your you'll say mood for studying well. Okay, na student? So thank you to listen me and watching.